Tip 5. Banana pack. Take 5 to 6 pieces of ripe banana. Make a fine paste. Mash with warm water. Apply over the face and neck. Keep 10 minutes, rinse with warm water. Tip 4. Coconut milk pack. Squeeze out the milk from the grated coconuts. Apply over the skin. After 20 minutes, wash off face with cold water. Tip 3. Rose water pack. Add 2 teaspoons of rose water with 1 drop glycerin and 2 drops of lemon juice. Make a pack and apply on your face and neck with the help of cotton ball. Keep it whole day like moisturizer. Use it as a homemade moisturizer. It removes anti-age skin and gives youthful skin. Tip 2. Carrot pack. Cut 1/2-inch carrot and 1/2 potato. Boil them, then mash it properly. Add 1 pinch baking soda and turmeric. Mix well. Apply over your face. Leave it for 2 minutes. And wash off with lukewarm water. This pack helps to reduce wrinkle and give smooth skin. Tip 1. Egg pack. Take 1 tsp of egg white in a bowl. Add 1/2 teaspoon of malai and 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix them well and apply on your face. Keep it for 15 minutes. Rinse with cold water. Do it in alternate day.